Lesson 11, commission. The definition of commission is earnings based on a percentage of the total amount of sales. Okay, our examples. Silvio earns 10% for each car sale he makes while working at a used car dealership. If he sells a used car for $2,000, what is his commission? Well, we have our P, percent, and W. Our W is the sales that they make, which is $2,000 in this case. Our percent is what they earn for the commission. For here, it would be 0.1. And we want to know what the commission is, which is our P. So that would be our X. So next, we would have P, percent, and W. So we have X equals 0.1 times 2,000. So that would be $200 commission. Our next question. Cindy makes $9,000 a month plus some money by commission rates. She gets 10% of everything that she sells. If Cindy sold $30,000 worth of items this month, what is her salary for the month? Well, in this case, what we're going to do is we are going to find her commission, and then we need to add it to her monthly salary. So we have P, percent, and W. Well, her total sales were $30,000. Her commission is 10% or 0.1, and we need to find out what that commission is. So it's P, percent, and W. So we have X equals 0.1 times 30,000. So that equals 3,000. So we're going to add that to the 9,000. So we have 9,000 plus the 3,000, which equals 12,000, which is her salary for the month. Our next example. Paul makes a base salary of $1,500. As a vendor, he must sell $20,000 worth of items a month. He also makes 4% commission on all sales beyond his quota. If Paul sold $26,000 worth of items this month, what is his total salary for the month, including his base salary and commission to the nearest dollar? Well, we have to first subtract what he sold for the month minus what he must sell every month. So he's going to get commission on $6,000 of what he sold. That's over and above his monthly quota. So now he's going to get 4% commission on that. So we have 6,000. It's 4% interest or in commission, and we've got to find what that is. So we've got P, percent, and W. We have X equals 0.04. times 6,000, which is 240. And we need to add that to the 1,500 that he makes on his base salary. So his salary is $1,740. Our last question for the day is Jake's older brother, Sam, has a choice of 2 summer jobs. He can either work at an electronics store or at a school bus garage. The electronics store would pay him to work 15 hours per week. He would make $8 per hour plus 2% commission on his electronics sale. At the school's bus garage, Sam would earn $300 per week, working 15 hours cleaning buses. Sam wants to take the job that pays him the most. How much in electronics would Sam have to sell for the job at the electronics store to be a better choice for his summer job? If I'm looking at this, we have to set up an equality to see how much in electronics Sam would have to sell in order for this to be worth his while to be in the electronics store. So, first of all, the garage would pay him $300 to work 15 hours per week. So we want to see how much the electronics store he would need to be at least $300. Well, we know they would pay him $8 an hour for 15 hours and 2% commission on all his sales. And we don't know what his sales are, so that's going to be our variable or our X. So if I solve this inequality, 8 times 15 is 120. So we do that first. And we bring everything else down. If I subtract 120 from each side, well, that gives me 0.02x is greater than or equal to 180. And then if I divide both sides by 0.02, he would have to sell at least $9,000 in sales to make it worth his while to be in the electronics store. This is the end of the lesson.